Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Tofu Not Quite Pizza. I've got my oven cranked to as high as it will go, and then I'm going to put I've just got half a pack of firm tofu, like a large pack, so it's about 200 grams is the half pack. I've just sliced it about half a centimetre, quarter of an inch thick. And super important with tofu is we're going to put a little bit of salt on this base side because they don't make it with salt and it just doesn't taste very good. But it's mad, like you add the salt and all of a sudden it becomes much more palatable. Great, so we'll put that on the bottom. Then I'm going to get my tomato on. So we want, it's up to you how tomato you make it. I like to use tomato paste on this. It's funny because I use like a puree or a passata on my pita pizza, or most pizzas, but when I'm making this tofu one, I think it needs the extra flavor intensity of the tomato. Great, and then we'll get our toppings on. So I'm actually going with prosciutto today because it brings me a lot of joy to serve meat with tofu. But of course you could use whatever pizza toppings you like, or you could just keep it margarita-ish. Beautiful. And again, I use more toppings than you would for regular pizza just because tofu needs the flavor. And then we're going to get some cheese on. I'm just using just a regular cheddar, but any cheese that melts well is good here. Great, and then I'm just going to pop it in the oven. So depending on how quickly your oven heats up, usually I'll check it after about 4 minutes. Okay, so that ended up having 6 minutes, but when your cheese is melted and you're happy with your toppings, you're good to serve. And I'm just going to pop some basil on top of this. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com and you can download a free ebook filled with simple recipes just like this one.